Alright guys, so for the first Easter egg, we're going to go up to the Discord logo and we're going to click it 15 times, get a Discordo sound. And now we're going to click it again 15 times to disconnect and to get rid of the sound. Alright guys, so for the second Easter egg, we're going to click Control/ on our keyboard. So we're going to do that right now. And it shows keyboard combos. So right here. And now as you can see, there's big arrows up on the top right corner. And these make some pretty cool sounds. And that is Easter egg number 2. So guys, for a third Discord Easter egg, what we're going to do is go to the search bar and type something random. So we get no results. And now we're just going to keep searching. So let's do that right now. Keep searching. And as you can see, there's a magnifying glass. And now there's a banana. So no results were found. Empathy banana is here for you. So that's a pretty cool hack. So we're going to Easter egg number 4. Alright guys, so for Easter egg number 4, what we're going to do is go to your nearest server. Usually you're supposed to own the server. There you're going to go to server settings, scroll down, and it says this insanity. So when you click this insanity, it redirects you. So it redirects you to a YouTube video called "This is what 8 million Instagram followers does to your notifications." So this is a pretty cool way that Discord incorporated a link into their app. So that's pretty cool. So guys, for Easter egg number 5, we're going to go to the bottom. So where mute and deafen is. So right here. So mute deafen. As you can see, my username is right there. Copied, double copy. So you can click that and it shows that. So copied, double copy. Keep clicking, it shows triple copy, dominating, mega copy, unstoppable, wicked slick, monster copy, godlike, and sometimes it even shows beyond godlike. So that's another very cool Discord Easter egg. So guys, for Easter egg number 6, we're going to go to a server boost. So it shows who is server boosted. So if you click it, it shows confetti. And if you just keep clicking this, if you keep clicking it, it should show Wumpus, the Discord mascot. So guys, for our next Easter egg, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings. Right here, we're going to scroll down to appearance, right here. And as you can see, there's light and dark mode. We're never clicking light mode because light mode is horrible. So now what we're going to do is click dark, like right here. We're going to click this 9 times fast. So knock forward 32 and then, okay, faster. And now it says AMOLED, optimize mode, experimental. So basically what this does is it makes your dark mode even darker. So, wow, that looks even better. So there is Easter egg number 7. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. So if you haven't already, join my Discord server if you're interested. Hope these Easter eggs made your Discord experience much better. And if you like this type of content, then be sure to comment down below. And I'll keep doing this. So another thing about the Discord server is there's polls about my next video. So if you're interested, once again, click the link in the description. And that was all.